business was originally founded to help people produce props and sets for the film industry, but now we sell throughout the world, basically supplying machining systems, but also complete manufacturing solutions. We worked with Sensor City. They understood what we were trying to develop and they helped us a great deal to bring it to the market. It means that instead of having like a snapshot of a telephone call or a site visit, we're actually able to get continuous information. The support that we had was invaluable. We were able to use the funding available to get additional resources, which helped us fast-track this development. We have created 2 new jobs as a direct result of obviously wanting to improve the maintenance and service operations. So we recruited a field service engineer and we took on an additional engineer for doing project management. We'd probably like to know if there's any more ways in which we can work together with Sensor City and other parts of the LCR 4 offering, but certainly we'd recommend it to other people without a shadow of a doubt.